Good morning, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, November the 30th, the last day of November. Our menu for the week is today we'll be serving chicken tenders, roll and sauce. Tuesday, spaghetti, meat sauce, and garlic toast. Wednesday, crispy chicken on a bun. Thursday, deli sub sandwich, and Friday, pizza. Once again, we've included some helpful information to use as a guide when experiencing sickness in your family and possible COVID-19 symptoms. Please familiarize yourself with this information. Today, we'd like to give a huge shout out to Mrs. Field, a special education teacher at Jefferson. For the last 40 years, she has been dedicating her life's work to inspire, cultivate, and impact students. This Friday will be her last day with us as she begins her retirement. Thank you, Mrs. Field, for sharing the gift of you with our Jefferson family. A job well done. Remember, once a Jaguar, always a Jaguar. Have fun enjoying your grandchildren, traveling, reading some great books, and finishing all your craft projects. And now, Jaguars, it's time to celebrate some of our Jaguars who are celebrating birthdays this week. Celebrating a birthday today on November 30th in 5th grade is Whitney F. On December the 1st in 5th grade, Madeline S. On December the 3rd in 4th grade, Sayana A-G. And 4th grade, Eden L. Celebrating a birthday on December the 4th in 4th grade is Noah D. And in 1st grade, Kush B. On December the 5th in kindergarten, Rowan F. And on December the 6th in 2nd grade, Jacob I. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Jaguars, happy birthday to you. Now, join me for some words of wisdom. You know, it's hard to believe that Tuesday is the first day of December. As I was reading this weekend, I learned that tomorrow, December the 1st, is National Giving Tuesday. Giving Tuesday is a global generosity movement unleashing the power of people and organizations to transform their communities and the world. Everyone can get involved, whether it's by donating to a charity or a nonprofit, volunteering, advocating for issues you care about, or committing a random act of kindness. So, Jaguars, are you ready to use your ideas and hands to change the world for the better? How will you choose to give? Will you make a card for someone? Rake someone's leaves? Clean out your closets and find slightly used clothes you do not wear anymore and donate them to a local clothes closet. Invite a new friend to play with you at recess. Share kind words with others. You know, we can choose so many things, so talk it over with your family, your classmates. Together, we can use our ideas and hands to change our world for the better. So, Jaguars, join me on Tuesday for Hashtag Giving Tuesday. Or better yet, how about Hashtag Daily Giving? We have the power to make our world a better place every day. But something to think about? This is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Choose to be a difference maker. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.